All right, now we're gonna go for a cruise in an oldie. It's a 1952 Bel Air two-door hardtop. They also call it the Style Line Deluxe in this year. It's nice having a two-door hardtop though, because you got no post. It's got that cool split windshield. Nice dash, nice gauges. It's got an aftermarket underdash radio, 12-volt conversion. This has
on the tree.
3 on a tree. And then it's got an updated 235 straight 6 in it with an Offenhauser manifold, dual Rochester carbs on there. It's got the split dual exhaust, which is kind of cool also. Nice driving little car. Made to be used. They got rid of the torque tube, put a drive shaft in it. It's got factory power steering, kind of unique. But previous owner drove this car, took it around, took it to car shows, got on the freeway with it. Pretty impressive. So, you know, reliable for what you got here with a 6-cylinder and 3 on the tree. It's got the wide white walls on it, chrome steelies. Nice two-tone paint, not show quality, but going up the street it looks great, you know. It's got the dark blue on top, light blue on the rest of the body, same as the dashboard here.
Yeah, it goes pretty good for a 6-cylinder.
Not bad, huh? I think it's geared right.
Yeah.
Let's not run over this girl. Nah.
Yeah.
No, okay, we'll let her live today.
Watch out!
There we go.
It's a boat.
It's a boat. Yeah, coming about. All right, here we go, coming up to our final stretch of our picture spot. But kind of a nice cruiser. I like this car.
Hey, check out this 1952 Chevrolet Bel Air. It's a hardtop there. And this is kind of an old school car here with, it's got an upgraded 235 straight 6. It's got an Offenhauser manifold on that 6, and it's also got dual Rochester carbs. It's got factory power steering, which is kind of a rare option, dual exhaust, and it's got 3-speed on the column. So, you know, you got to shift it, but it's fun, you know. It's got nice, beautiful two-tone paint and blue and gray houndstooth interior. And they put a nice stereo underneath, which is great, and it's got some wide whites on it. It's pretty nice. I'll show you the interior. Yeah, it's all in great shape. There you go. Nice stereo. You gotta have tunage, drive around. But the dash is in good shape. Seats are nice. There's the back seat area here. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right. All right, here's the power plant here. 235, which is upgraded obviously. 6-cylinder. It's got this Offenhauser manifold, which is cool, and a couple of Rochesters on there. There's a part of the factory power steering. You can see the box down here. It's pretty neat. Steers really nice. And then another upgrade, which is kind of cool. It's got an Excel distributor set here, so that way, you know, electronic ignition. It makes it more reliable, of course. No points. So it's got, you know, those are really nice upgrades to have, especially if you're going to take this thing to car shows and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and crank it up. Yeah, starts right up, nice and quiet, good running. I'll let you listen to the exhaust here. It's kind of cool. It raps a little bit. Yep, there she is, my blue 52. Pretty neat little car. We got this here at California Cars, located out in Simi Valley, 818-591-1313. You can speak to Gary or Rich. Be more than happy to show you this car. And you can take it out to car shows and have some fun.